What documents are required to replace a social security card without an ID?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important topic: how to replace a social security card without an ID. It may seem complicated, but don't worry. We're going to break it down into clear, manageable steps for you. Let's dive right in.
Why would I need to replace a social security card?
A social security card is a crucial piece of identification in the United States. It proves your identity and citizenship or legal status. If you've lost your social security card or it's been stolen, it's vital to replace it as soon as possible. In most cases, you'll need an ID to do this, but what if you don't have one? That's exactly what we're covering today.
What documents can I use instead of an ID?
The Social Security Administration, SSA, requires proof of your identity when you need to replace your social security card. In a situation where you don't have an ID, you can use alternative documents. These can include 1. Birth certificate. This document will establish your age, citizenship, and identity. 2. U.S. passport. Even if it's expired, a U.S. passport can serve as a proof of your identity and citizenship. 3. School ID card, school records, or daycare records. If you're under 18, these can prove your identity. 4. Medical records. Particularly useful for young children, medical records can also prove identity. 5. Employee identification card. If you're employed and have an ID card from your workplace, this can be used. Remember that these documents must be either originals or copies certified by the issuing agency. Photocopies or notarized copies are not accepted.
How do I apply for a replacement card?
Once you have your alternative identification document or documents ready, the next step is to fill out and print an application for a Social Security card, Form SS5. Then, mail your completed application and original documents to your local Social Security office or take them in person. Please note that all documents will be returned to you after your application has been processed. And that wraps up our guide on how to replace a Social Security card without an ID. Remember, the most important step is to gather the necessary documents that can serve as your proof of identity. We hope this video has been informative and helpful for you. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your local Social Security office. Until next time, stay safe and organized.